Here's the cruiser. It needs a lot of work, but instead of doing the work that it needs, I've put new wheels on it. They're a 16x8 zero offset Enki Borgner. They're pretty rare apparently. Kind of cool looking. Today I'm going to chuck a fat wing on it and do some rust repairs, so let's see how that goes. Wing, got bolts, brackets, bunch of 3M tape. I think they all work together to secure it to the hatch of the car. It's I bought it from Autoforce, which is in Brisbane. I think this is a Taiwanese made piece of gear. On eBay it's called HIC JDM Roof Deflector for 80 series Landcruiser. I went to put it on the other day, but I found a whole bunch of just surface rust lining the top of the hatch here, so I want to kind of fix that before I put the wing on, just in case. This is the CRC rust converter. It is a spray can variant of rust converter. I probably should have gotten the brush on one, but this is cheaper, so we're gonna just mask it up and give it the beans. Gonna use wax and grease remover. I'm gonna drink it and then I'm gonna clean it up. Well, I applied rust converter, but I accidentally sprayed everywhere, and I thought rust converter was meant to turn out black out of the can, but obviously not. So I sprayed it all down here as well, and too much of it. So I just spent the last couple hours sanding it away, and then I re-agitated the sill bit here, and I hit it again with some rust converter. And I think it's a little bit blacker. It's kind of hard to tell. Still looks rusty to me, but fuck it, I'm just going to paint it now. Time to get the roof wing on. I got the instructions taped here because it's fucking windy. First step is to put the brackets in and kind of mock up the wing, see how it fits. Got these two brackets, look like that. They slip in on the top of the roof here. One there, one there. Wow, that looks mad already. I'm just going to use this pen to mark out where the brackets should sit. I don't really know any other ways to do it, to be honest. Those 3M pads that it came with, they're not double-sided, it's just to protect the paint from the metal bracket sitting on it. So one side sticks, the other side is just fabric and the bracket sits on that. So these are the side brackets. Then there's also a little piece that looks like this, got holes in it. I'm pretty sure they just sandwiched together. After you put this in, then on the inside, put that in and then screw through the holes and secure it.